Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine,
Ma'am. I'm also good. We didn't get to meet the whole of the week, isn't that?
Yes, ma'am.
It's nearly the weekend has come. It's Friday now. We are meeting. Our meet, we should all be in good health. Please turn on your videos. Let me see you all. Adya is there. Hello, Adya.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. How are you, Beta?
Ma'am, fine, ma'am.
Good. You look so pretty.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Good evening, Neha. How are you?
How are you? Thank you, ma'am.
Good. Always smiling. Good. Keep smiling. Yes, Harshit. Harshit?
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am.
your audio is working. What about the video? What about the video? When will I get to see you? Yes, Harshit.
Ma'am, I'll try to fix it, ma'am.
No, I'm just saying, when will I get to see you? Huh? My handsome champ. Yes, Harshit.
Ma'am.
Very soon. Yes. Let's begin. Let's come to our mathematics platform. Okay, we were doing prime factorization. We were done with, right?
Yes, ma'am.
We had started with HCF also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I had given you some questions. Did you do that? Some worksheets were given to you.
Ma'am, there weren't any worksheets.
I didn't give the worksheet.
No, ma'am.
Okay. I had given some questions, right? Questions were given to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll share the worksheets today, right? I'll share
Okay,
some
ma'am.
worksheets. Right, beta. I'm sharing the screen now. Let's see what we did in the previous class. Okay, this is your test. Okay, so you can see your test. You all got your marks, no? Neha, this is your test.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so all are correct, all full marks. Good, Bichi. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Good. You must avoid cutting, okay? Always make a rough column on the right side. Do all your rough work that side, okay? Harshit, your paper is very neat and clean and you got good marks. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. And your handwriting is also very good. Very neat and clean work. Good, beta. Keep it up. Do
Thank you.
yes, do like this in your school test papers also. Okay. Good handwriting is always appreciated. Okay, next is Bhavesh. Bhavesh also got full marks. Bhavesh hasn't joined yet. Okay. You can see the test paper later on. Okay, Adya, you didn't do the paper, test paper?
Ma'am, I'm not getting the test paper, ma'am.
Beta, you should have searched in the content column.
I searched, but it's not coming, ma'am.
Just listen. In the content column, go to the test part. In the contents, when you click on the test part, you will see the paper. Okay, with that particular date.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Please try it after the class. Now you cannot do the test paper, but of course you can Just do the sums for practice. Right? After the class, what will you do? Before shutting down your system, computer, you will go to the content. On the Wise app, you will go to the content part. Okay, when you have all the icons there, no, content and sources and all other things, just click on the content. Under the content, you will get to see a test. Okay, there will be many options. You will click on the test part. On the test, when you click on the test, you will see all the papers which were given to you. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
and you can check the paper with the respective date also, and just do it for practice now. But please don't skip the test.
Okay, ma'am. I was thinking that the test is not there, ma'am.
Test is always there. It goes alternately.
Ma'am, I saw it on Sunday, but there is no test, ma'am.
The test gets live on Saturday itself. Okay, don't wait for Sunday. From Saturday 5 o'clock, the test gets live. And the message is also shared always.
Okay, ma'am. Understood.
So be alert. Okay, don't miss your test.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So we had done some questions on HCF also. What are these? Okay, HCF of two numbers. Okay, we had done with this prime factorization method, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's take some questions from the NCERT book now. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Minutes 20 second. Okay. Okay, let's do this question. Find the HCF of 2763. You can start doing.
I've done the first one.
Okay, beta, please carry on. Carry on. I'll take answers from you after some time. Okay, now one by one. Adya will give me the first answer. Adya, what is the HCF of 27 and 63?
Ma'am, I'm doing, ma'am. 1 minute. Ma'am, 9.
9. Okay. Good, beta.
Same answer. Ma'am, I also got same answer.
Very good. Good, nice. Harshit. Okay. Neha will tell me the next one. Second one.
Ma'am, 7.
7. Okay. Should we do it? So that all will get to see, no? 91, 112, then 49. Okay. Which number you took first?
7.
7. Good. 7, 1 and 7. threes are. Okay, then next is 7 1 7 6 7 7. Okay, so you cannot take any more numbers. So what is the HCF here?
7.
7. Good. Okay, next, Harshit. Yes, Harshit, tell me. Yes, Harshit.
Ma'am, doing.
Adya, be ready with the fourth one. Neha, after that.
Ma'am, I got the.
Yes, Harshit, tell me the third one.
Ma'am, 3, ma'am.
3. Okay, this will go with, what should I write here?
Ma'am, 4,
4.
15, 25.
25. Okay.
Ma'am, 4th one, 9.
1 second, beta, I'll ask you. Okay, so 3 is the HCF here. Okay, fourth one now.
Ma'am, 9.
9. Okay, tell me. We should solve also, no? We cannot just write the direct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me now.
9 to the 9, 9 to the 18, 9 3 is the 27, 9 4 the 36, 9 5 the 45, 9 6 the 54, 9 7 the 63, 9 8 the 72, 9 9 the 81.
Okay, you are reading the whole table. Good. You must tell me just the numbers. You need not tell me the whole table, okay? Just tell me what will you write.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, good, bache. Yes, Neha, fifth one.
5th one is 20.
Fifth one is 20. Okay. So what should I write here first?
2.
Huh?
Ma'am, I took 2. We can also take 5.
We can take 5 also, and you can even take 2 also here.
Yes.
Okay. So this is, when you take this with 5,
Ma'am, 5.
5 2 5 8s. Then you have 5 4s and 5 4s. Okay. Then you have 14 and you have 22.
22. Again, 2.
Then you have 2, this is 7, this is 11.
11.
So now you cannot take any common factor. So that means the HCF here is now 5 into 2 into 2. So 5 into 4 is 20. So that's 20. Good, Neha.
Thank you.
Okay, good. Yes, Harshit, tell me the sixth one. Harshit, tell me the sixth one.
Ma'am, 6th one answer is 4.
Answer is 4. Okay, you tell me which number you took first.
Ma'am, 2. 2.
2. Okay.
Then I got 6, 10 and 28.
Okay.
Then I again took 2.
Very good.
Then we'll get 3, 5 and 14.
Very nice.
3 and 5 are prime numbers.
You cannot take any more common factor here. Yes?
Ma'am.
Okay, so what is the HCF?
And the HCF is 2 into 2, that is 4.
Very good. Good, Harshit. Okay, let's take another question. The question is, what is the HCF of 2 consecutive? Do you know the meaning of consecutive?
Yes, ma'am.
What is consecutive?
Ma'am, the number which comes immediately.
Which comes one after the other in order. Yes, if I talk about consecutive numbers, that means those numbers which come after one another, like after 1 2 comes, then after 2 3 comes, which come in sequence order, right? Those that type of numbers are called consecutive. These are consecutive numbers. Okay, if I talk about consecutive even numbers, that means 2, the next even is 4, the next even is 6, next even is 8, and so on, next even like this, right? So these are consecutive even numbers. If I talk about consecutive odd numbers, that means first odd number is 1, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 9, and so on. So these are consecutive odd numbers. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
children?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please keep your videos on. Okay, so consecutive, what is the HCF of two consecutive numbers? Okay, then second is consecutive even numbers. Third is consecutive odd numbers. Okay, tell me what is the HCF of two consecutive numbers? If you take any two consecutive numbers, suppose if I take 2, 3. So what will be the HCF of 2, 3?
Ma'am, 1.
1 will be the HCF. If I take any number 7, 8, what will be the HCF of this?
Ma'am, 1 again.
1. Only if Neha is answering, no one else. If I take any other consecutive number, say 76 and 77, so what will be the HCF of this?
Ma'am, 1.
1. If I take 465 and 466, what will be the HCF of this?
1, ma'am.
1. So if whatever consecutive numbers I take, two consecutive numbers, HCF will be 1. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, and if I take consecutive even numbers, now consecutive even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. Like suppose if I take, if what, okay,
Ma'am, HCF is 2, right?
HCF of these two numbers will be 2. Consecutive even numbers will be 2. If I take consecutive numbers 46 and 48, two even numbers.
Ma'am, 2.
So it will be
2.
2. So whatever combination I take, 76 and 78, so that means HCF will be
2.
2. Okay? So that means because both are even numbers, so they both have a common factor, that is 2. So HCF of two consecutive even numbers is always 2. Okay, what is the HCF of two consecutive odd numbers? Now odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and you have many more odd numbers. So just take number 3 and 5. So what is the HCF of 3 and 5?
Ma'am, 1.
Ma'am, 1.
Okay, so if I take any other number, 63 and 65, what is the HCF?
Ma'am, 1.
1.
1.
Okay, so if you take any consecutive odd numbers, your HCF will be 1.
1.
Right, children?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And those numbers which have only 1 as their common factor, what do you call these type of numbers? Those numbers which have just 1 as a common factor are called
Co-prime.
co-prime numbers. Are called co-prime numbers.
Co-prime.
Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
You must keep this in mind. I'll ask you sometime later. Okay? What are co-prime numbers? Right? Okay.
Okay.
Let's take the next question now. In your book, there is a question. HCF of co-prime numbers 4 and 15 was found as follows by factorization. Okay. The co-prime numbers are 4 and 15. These are the two numbers given. And its factorization is also given 2 multiplied by 2. And this is 3 multiplied by 5. Since there is no common prime factor, so HCF of 4 and 15 is 0. Okay. Is the answer correct? If not, what is the correct HCF? Can we say at any moment that the HCF is 0?
No, ma'am.
Because there is no common factor, can we say that the HCF is 0?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, in any case, we
No,
cannot say. We can rather say that the HCF is 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, because
Yes.
1 is a common factor which is always there. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
HCF will be 1, not 0. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so what is the HCF of two co-prime numbers?
Ma'am, one ma'am.
1. Good. Okay, so I'm writing a question here. This is again from your NCERT book. If A is equal to 2 raised to power 2 into 3 raised to power 3 into 5 raised to power 5 and B is some other number which is whose factors are 2 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power 2 into 5. What is the HCF of A and B? What is the HCF? What is the HCF of A and B? Now listen children. Now 2 raised to power 2 means what? That 2 is multiplied 2 times. Okay, 2 comes 2 times. 3 raised to power 3 means 3 is 3 times. 5 raised to power 5 is 5
Five.
is 5 times. Okay, 5 is coming 5 times. 5 times. Okay, 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. Right? Similarly, let's take for B also 2 raised to power 3. That means 2 is coming 3 times. Then 3 raised to power 2 means number 3 is coming 2 times. Then we have single number 5. Okay. Now, if we are asked to find HCF of A and B, so what will be the highest common factor of A and B? Highest. See, in this A is coming 2 times, but here the A is 3 times. Okay. So the common thing is what? 2, which is there in both the numbers A and B. Yes? Yes, are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
let's talk about 3 now. 3 is coming 2 times here, and here 3 is 3 times. So at least 2 is there. So that means 3 into 3 is common here in both the numbers. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then we have single number 5. And 5 here is at least one 5 is there. So we have 5 also here, common factor. So that means 2 into 2, 4 is also there, 3 into 3, 9 is also there, 5 is also there. So what is the HCF of A and B? So we will write the common factors here. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So this is the HCF of A and B. So that is 2 into 2 is 4 into 9 into 5. So what is it? 5 4 is 20, 20 into 9 is 180.
Ma'am, I got the same answer, ma'am.
Okay, good. So
Ma'am,
you
I
understood this?
also, ma'am.
Okay, good. So you all understood this? If you get
Yes,
any
ma'am.
number in this form with the power, power means anything written like this, raised to the power. Okay. So how you should take out the HCF of this? Right. Okay, let's do. And we take a next question now. Find. Please write down. Are you writing, children? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you all are
Yes,
writing.
Yes, ma'am.
To do as I am doing. Okay. Solve with me. Highest, please find the highest common factor of 18, 24, and 36.
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, good. Let's work out. 18, 24, 36. Okay, Adya will tell me this. Yes, Adya, tell me. What should I write first?
Ma'am, I'm doing 1 minute, ma'am.
I got the second answer.
Just a second. Just now. Yes, Adya.
Ma'am, I also got the second answer.
Very good. Yes, Adya. Arya.
Ma'am, 6.
6. Okay. But you can take prime factor here.
Okay, ma'am.
And this is prime. You can do with 6. That's not wrong. But it's better if you take prime numbers here. Okay. Instead of directly writing 6, you can take with 2 and 3.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh.
Ma'am, 6 3s are 18, ma'am.
Okay. I'm taking with 2. Okay, chal. Right. Give me 3. Since this is prime factorization, you should take prime numbers first. Okay. Take 2. Do with 2 first.
Okay, ma'am.
2 9. 2 12. 2. Yes.
Ma'am, I also got like that only, ma'am. I did it like that.
Good. So now you can say the HCF is 6. Now after this, you cannot find any common factors. So
Yes, ma'am. That's it.
2 into 3, which is equal to 6. Because this is what you were saying, no? You could take 6 here. That wasn't wrong. That was absolutely correct. But only thing is that since this is a prime factorization method, we prefer to take prime numbers here. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Next, Neha. Neha, give me this answer, 14 and 18.
From 2.
Okay. 2,
It is
7,
7 and 6.
9. Then no common factor. Okay. So that means the HCF is 2. Good. Okay, let me give you another. Okay, now Harshit, tell me the answer of this. HCF of 96 and 263. Everyone must do. Bhavesh is here. Bhavesh had joined.
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Okay, so you're very quiet. Okay, Bhavesh, do this. Do both the questions. I'll take the answers from you.
Ma'am, 3 and 4.
Do the fourth. I'll take the answer for fourth.
Okay,
But
ma'am.
do both. Do both. Everyone has to do both.
Ma'am, I got the first answer. I mean
Okay,
the
beta.
third.
Just a second. Let me take answer from Harshit now.
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am.
Okay.
Now, first we should take with 2.
Very good.
Then we'll get 58 and 132.
132. Very nice.
Then again we can take with 2.
Yes.
24 and 66.
Very nice. Good.
Again we can take with 2.
Yes.
12 and 33.
Very good.
We can take with 3. 4
Yes.
and 11.
4 and 11. Now further you cannot take any common factor, right? So what is the HCF here?
2 into 2 into 2 into 3.
So that means this is 8 3s are 24. Okay. Good.
Ma'am, I got the answer for fourth one.
Okay. Tell me.
Ma'am, first we will divide the both with 2.
2. Okay, what do
We
we
will get
get now?
12 and 90. 12 and 90, ma'am.
Yes, very nice.
Ma'am,
Next,
after that we will divide it with 3.
very good.
Ma'am, we will get 4 and 30.
4 and 30. Very nice.
After that we will divide it with 2, ma'am, again. We'll
Okay,
get 2 and 15. There are no factors for 2 and 15, so the prime factorization is 2 into 3 into 3, ma'am, which is 12.
very good. Good, beta. Good, Bhavesh. Okay. Okay, children. Now I want to talk about LCM. Okay. Least common multiple. This is least also you can say, lowest also you can say. Okay. Least common multiple. We call it LCM. So least also you can say and lowest also you can say. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So in general, what do you mean by least common multiples? So suppose I have two numbers. Example, I'm taking an example. Suppose I have two numbers, 4 and 5. Okay, I'm just giving you an example. What generally we mean by LCM. So you all know about multiples. What are multiples? Yes. If I have to write the multiples of 4, so what will it be? 4, 4 twos are 8, then 4, 12, 4, 4 is 16, then 20, then 24, then 28, then 32, then so on further also we can have so many. Okay, if I have to write the multiples of 5, so what are the multiples of 5? Bhavesh will tell me.
Ma'am, multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45.
Yes. Further, if need arises, then we'll write. Okay. So
Okay,
we have
ma'am.
just taken few multiples. Okay. Now, if I have to talk, these are all the multiples that you have found. Okay. You have taken the multiples of 4 and 5. Now, if I have to talk about common multiple now. So which are the common multiples here? Can you look for any common multiples here?
Ma'am, 20.
20, yes, 20 is here. Anything here? So
No,
far,
ma'am.
there are only 20. So let's take out some more factors of here. Okay, we'll just find out some more factors. 40, 44, okay. Then you have 40 here, then 45,
Yes, ma'am, 40.
then 50, okay.
Ma'am, 40.
So now you have another common
Ma'am, 40.
multiple, 40, right? So you have 20 as common factor and 40 as common factor. And further also, if you keep writing more number multiples, now you will get some more common multiples, isn't that? Right? So least, when the word least adds to this,
Ma'am, 20.
so that means the lowest common. Okay, the lowest number among 20 and 40 is 20.
20, ma'am.
Okay.
20.
Whatever you get further will be all, whatever you get further will be all the higher numbers. Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So that means the least multiple is 20. So this becomes the least common multiple. Okay? So this becomes
Okay,
the
ma'am.
least common multiple of 4 and 5, which is 20. That means LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. Okay? You understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand the general meaning of what is least common multiple?
Yes, ma'am.
As in HCF, what we did, we found the factors first. Then we found which are the common factors, which are common in both or all the three numbers, whatever the numbers are, which the number which is common, right? So that is common factors. And when we spoke about highest common factor means the highest of the common factors. The number which is the highest of the common factors was HCF. But in case of LCM, when we found the multiples, we found common multiples and the least common multiple. Among the common multiples, the number which is the least one is called least common multiple. You get it? Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Please keep your video
Yes,
on.
ma'am.
Are you understanding now what is least common multiple? In general
ma'am.
terms, what actually it
Yes,
means.
ma'am.
Okay. So if you have understood this, then that means half of your work, more than half of your work is done. Because when you will do the statement sums based on HCF and LCM, okay, this is going to be of great help. Okay. Because this concept will help you in understanding the question, the statement sums. Right? Okay. Let's take a question now. If I tell you, find the LCM of 4, 6, and 8. I'm taking very small numbers. Find LCM of 4, 6, and 8. Okay, so you need not find the multiples of 4, 6, and 8. Okay, don't do with this long method as I did here. Listen. So you will do with the prime factorization method. Okay, don't do with like this. This is going to be a lengthy one.
Ma'am, 24? Ma'am, 24?
Yes, we'll see. Okay, so just take with the prime factorization method, right?
Yes,
So you can write the numbers like this as we were doing for HCF. So
Ma'am, 24 is the
let's
least.
take the common
right?
factor which can divide the numbers exactly. So that is 2 2s are, 2 3s are, 2 4s are. Right now you can see here the HCF is 2 here because further you cannot take any other common factor, right? But in LCM, what will you write? Look here, LCM will be what? LCM will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4. When you reach this state where you cannot have any common multiple, any common factor, so that gives you the HCF. Okay, so here you can further take out, see here, two numbers are still here, 2 and 4. You cannot take common multiple, but still you can just reduce these two numbers. You can just reduce the two numbers. Okay. So now you have all the three numbers which do not have any common factor. Neither of the two numbers has any common factor here.
Ma'am, we can again
take for one number.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we can
take
again.
for one number.
Okay. So you do one thing. So no need to do this. You can again take 2. You can write 1 here. Okay, this will be 3. This will be this. 3, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, do like this until you get all ones here. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
right? Did you understand this now?
Yes, ma'am.
So what did I do? Further here, there was no common factor. The only common factor which I could take out was 2 because that was going with this 2 and 4. But this 3 had no common factor. Okay, so that means now LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So just multiply all these numbers. Okay. So this gives you your LCM. So this is 8 into 3 is 23. You get it? Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's take one small example and the class time is over. And in tomorrow's class, we'll continue this. So I'm giving you just another small number. Find the LCM of 3, 9, and 21. Please do this quickly. 3, 9, 21. So it's first find the common factor which you can take out. 3, 3 3s are 9, 3, 7. Now you have 3 and 7 here and 1. So that means no common factor is here. So that means you will just reduce it to 1.
Ma'am, 63.
Ma'am, I got one.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
63.
63.
Ma'am, 63, ma'am. Ma'am, 63.
Very
63.
good. Very good. So
Ma'am, I got
yes.
63.
Yes.
Ma'am, I also got 63, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. So this is 9 into 7 is 63. So you understood now? What are we doing in case of LCM? We are all reducing it.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
we are taking all the numbers only.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So please practice this today's classwork. I'll give you some questions for homework also to find HCF and LCM. And we'll have a class tomorrow. We'll do more questions on LCM. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
So thank you for today. Thank you for joining.
By the way, did you give marks for the subjective test?
What
Oh.
happened?
Ma'am, the other Sunday we wrote a subjective test, right? You gave the mark?
Previous Sunday.
Ma'am,
You
no,
see your
before
testing? Huh?
before week Sunday. Before week Sunday.
Which date? Tell me the date.
I'm just
Tell me the
talking
date.
about the
28th.
first hours.
28th you are saying?
Yes, ma'am.
I showed the papers, beta, you joined late. Now the class time is over. Can I show you tomorrow?
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
I'll show you tomorrow, okay? I had
Okay, ma'am.
shown, but you were not there. Okay, beta, thank you so much. Thank
Thank
you
you,
all.
ma'am. Have a
Have
nice
a
day.
nice day.
Thank you, beta. You too. Bye-bye.